What I have here is a really old keyboard with an AT plug, which isn't compatible with any PS2 or USB standard, so there's not much chance I can connect it to a normal computer, a modern day computer. But I do want to connect it, so I have to find some solution after I take it apart maybe. The switches are kind of nice, a mechanical feel, and sound. It's really good, although it's a bit dirty. But I really like to try it out. I never had one of these keyboards. So let me show you the switch type. It basically just has a spring. If you press it down, then it bends and presses down on the contact. The contact is most likely just like in a membrane keyboard. So you press it and okay, goes in like that and sits in the underside of the keycap. This is really simple and brilliant at the same time. So let's get into it. Oh. There are some really tiny screws and bigger screws. So let's open it quickly if I can. No screws here, okay. Let's get out the big screws. Now the other side. Come on. Yes. Okay, two big screws and the two screws holding down the PC board with the chip and controller and stuff. These are longer. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Whoa. Huh? Wonderful, wonderful. So my thinking is that I will just rewire these contacts to a USB controller if I can, if I don't find any other solution online. But unfortunately, as is, it can't work with a modern PC. So, what should I do here? Just record it to see the circuits, and then find a solution to connect a USB controller, maybe, if I'm lucky.